Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these two boxes. It's part of the Crafter's Companion and I purchased this from HSN. So it came in last night around 9 o'clock. And so today is Tuesday evening and I thought I would go ahead and unbox this and take a look at what's in it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my craft knife and just go ahead and start opening these boxes. So this is the larger but the lighter of the boxes, and this should contain card making supplies. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this says Layout Collection, Crafter's Companion. Okay, so this looks like it's the binder. So let me just go ahead, pause this, and get rid of the paper. Okay, so this is the binder. Again, Layout Collection, Crafter's Companion. And this is what the back looks like. And then if we open it up, it has just this big, thick foam piece that I could probably use for something else. It has this probably as a protector. It also has then the dividers, and it looks like it says, well, it looks like they both say stamp. So let me go ahead and open this, see if there's anything else. So it's just two dividers that say stamps. Okay, but these should be the magnetic sheets for the dies. So let's see how many are in here. If any of you have this particular collection, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. So it looks like there are two die sheets or magnetic sheets as well. And then, so this just simply lifts up, so up and down to close. So I will take this out and set it aside, but here's how the mechanism works. So really simple. So let me go ahead, put these back, and we will open up the next box. And this was on clearance. I think it was about $65 or so. I'm not sure what the original price was, but it was on clearance and it seemed like a good deal. And since I'm a beginner, really just starting out my card making die journey, I thought that this would be it seemed like a good deal to me to get. All right, let me just put this away and let's take this out. So it comes in its own nice box. So that thick. All right, let me take a seat and let's take a look here. I want to see if there's anything on the bottom of the box. So it just says Crafter's Companion. So Layout Collection, just a little card here. There is a QR code, and that just has for additional tutorials that can be used with the designs here. Nice pretty peach and pink paper. So maybe as I take it out, I'll go ahead and I'll put it in here. So okay, so this is nice. I don't have edge dies, and so it says decorative border dies. So 3 pieces, and that's what they would look like. So this kind of reminds me a little bit of the We Are Memory Keepers rulers, but in a die. So this will be nice too, a nice little complement to that. Here are some jimmies in different sizes with purple, teal, and pink. So they call it adhesive dewdrops. So that's nice. Then satin ribbon. So that's pretty. So it looks like there's three sets of the purple, this orangey tangerine, and blue. So it actually says here 9 pieces, so 3 of each, and 3 sizes of ribbon. So this is a banner die. It says 4 pieces. So that's nice, different sizes right there. Nesting tag die, also 4 pieces. So that's what they look like there. Nesting square dies, 3 pieces. So here we go, and this one has that scalloped decorative edge. So I'm very excited to have this as, again, my new beginnings in die card making, journaling. So this is a nesting circle die, 6 pieces. So a couple of scalloped edges right there. Decorative embellishment dies, 6 pieces. So here I have the flower, the leaves, the triangle, the star, and a couple of hearts. So stay tuned for some upcoming videos where I'll be using these. So don't forget to, click on that bell to get notifications. So this one is called the nesting frame die, and 3 pieces. So with this decorative frame right here. I'm looking forward to learning how to make aperture cards or frame cards. So I think this would be really nice to use in one of those. Here's another decorative frame die. This one says 5 pieces. So this is pretty too. So some large and small right there. This is a square frame die, 3 pieces, also with a scalloped edge. Here's a nesting oval die, 6 pieces. So nice and large. This will fit nicely into my spellbinders. So scalloped edge, and then the other pieces. I don't have an oval one. Well, I don't have a lot of these. I have a couple of round plain ones. So circle frame die, 5 pieces. Oh, this one is also nice and large, and again with a scalloped edge there. Okay, now we're getting into some stamps. So let's see. So this one says sentiment stamps. So sweet friend, which I can use because I know Patty's journal page is something about friendship. So happy birthday, wishing you well. So it looks like there's 20 pieces here. Birthday wishes, hugs and kisses, and sending you. Okay, then you can use different ones. So just to give you maybe a little bit of a closer look. I can hope there's not too much of a glare. Oh, wow, look at this one. Wow, look at these pieces. This is gorgeous. So love the dragonfly, the butterfly. Look at the stacked cups, bouquet of flowers, roses, hearts, cupcake. Let me see if I can move that over so it's not too much of a glare, but I don't know if that's worse now. So I'm hoping you can see it. Maybe I could. Is that better? So really nice. Looking forward to using this. And then Sunflowers and Crafts is hosting the hashtag share a stamp. So this will be really nice for that. And this one looks like it's 1 piece. Okay, this is an embossing folder. Let me see if you can see that. Let me take it out of the package. I'm so glad because I really don't have embossing folders, so I'm excited about this. It looks like there's more. So I'm not sure if that shows up on camera, but it is, I wonder if it's a little bit of a 3D, but it is that vase with the flowers. And okay, this is I guess another embossing folder. So with these roses or flowers, so that's what it would look like. So it's 5.5 by 5.5. Here's another 2D embossing folder. I wonder if that 2D. Oh, okay, so this one is 3D. No wonder why it felt like it was just a little bit different. So this is a 3D folder. So that's nice because I know my spellbinders will take that for sure. Then here's a 2D embossing folder with butterflies. So all different butterflies. Now here we come into the papers. So I will definitely open this so we can take a look at them together. Has a little belly band here. So 2 of these. Let's see, I guess I could take them out. So this is pretty. So 2 of these. This is also pretty. Very pretty flowers. So 2 of those. This has like a yellow ochre background. Here's some blue with some orange flowers. This is lovely too. See that? This is pretty, also muted. Very nice, cute little white flowers against that green background. These are also some little dainty flowers, like a periwinkle with the background with the white and pink and darker purple flowers and some yellow in there too. This one is like a vintage. That's what it reminds me of. So I can't wait to start using these. 2 of these. This is kind of like a mint green, is what it makes me think of. So 2 of those. And then the last 2 of these. So these are the pattern papers. Now this says linen card. So let me go ahead and open this one so we could take a look at this. So these are nice textured cards. Let me take this off. All right, so there's this peachy pink. So let's see, there are 2, 3. So there's 4 of this. And again, it's nice thick cardstock. And it also has, so it looks a little bit more textured on one side, even though there is texture on this one, it's a little bit flatter. So this would definitely be, I think, the top of the card. And this pretty, kind of reminds me like of a light raspberry. Again, this side is a little bit, has the texture, but definitely not as lifted as this side. Nice little lemon yellow. So 4 of those. Nice, really like a sky blue. It's really nice. And then here we have the green. And a nice lavender purple. So 4 of those. All right, so that's that. And then this looks like it says recipe cards. So let me open up this. And I think this is supposed to be where it gives you ideas for making cards with different layouts. And again, being new to card making, this is going to be very helpful for me. So it looks like they have here different themes for the index. So this one, hugs and kisses. And then on the back, it sort of shows you how to create that layout. So this one is hugs and kisses. This one is using that vase. This is pretty with that stamp, that butterfly. This one is called Sweet Cupcake. This one is hello, so I can see those border dies, so I'm really excited. Oh, I didn't see this stamp. I know we went through it quite quickly, but there's that stamp there. Love it. With the teacups. Floral wishes with those banners. Using that embossing folder. Sweet friend. And you can see the background papers here too. Birthday cards. Love the dragonflies. Little banners. Butterfly wishes. Amazing day. Again, another sweet friend using those oval dies. That's nice. Cheers. Time for tea. So again, using those. Thinking of you. Lovely bouquet. Here's another. I like the way this this has been inked. So beautiful butterflies. I hope it gives also on how to do that. Again, another one, sweet friend. Best wishes. Butterfly love. Another sweet friend. Treat yourself. You are loved with the dragonfly. Sending lots of love. Beautiful blooms. And these are also nice and thick. And then lots of love. So 30 different options for cards. So, whoops. So definitely looking forward again to using this. And yeah, so stay tuned because I will definitely be showing maybe some of these cards as I make them. Don't have to necessarily follow those stamps. You know, I have other stamps as well. So whether it's Christmas cards, but maybe just how to use those layouts for different cards. So that is it for this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned because again, I will be a busy bee using these. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.